going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of CryptoRuff, where we demystify cryptocurrency every single day. Just looking at the markets today, I'm sure everyone is aware of the dive that happened today. Bitcoin plunged back down into the 9,000s for the first time this week, and I believe even the end of this past week it was still above 10,000. It was already up above the 11,000. Everything looking good, slowly but surely making its way to hopefully come up and break that $12,000 price resistance point, and then boom, this morning everyone looks, it's crashing, market-wide crash, all red all the time. What's going on? It wasn't too bad of a crash, a couple thousand for Bitcoin, $40 for Litecoin. But everything dropped. I think Bitcoin was down 11 or 12%, so obviously that's not good. So just wanting to talk about why that happened for those of you who don't know. Found this great article here about Bitcoin just tanked below 10,000 after SEC says crypto exchanges must register with agency. Freaking SEC. Everything with the Securities Exchange Commission is always drama. That's crypto drama for you guys right there. So basically, the Securities Exchange Commission said all things operating as an exchange need to register. So here is the direct quote here. If a platform offers a trading of digital assets that are securities and operates as an exchange, as defined by the federal securities law, and the platform must register with the SEC as a national securities exchange or be exempt from registration. The SEC staff has concerns that many online trading platforms appear to investors as SEC registered and regulated marketplaces when they are not. Many platforms refer to themselves as exchanges, which can give the misimpression to investors that they are regulated or meet the regulatory standards of a national securities exchange. One word, BitConnect. Second word, DOGECOIN. Now most recently Falcon Coin. These companies that are basically lying about being exchanges or saying that there's an exchange as part of their program, but it's not regulated by the SEC. So this, I don't know why this caused the price of crypto to drop. Most registered exchanges like Coinbase, Gemini, Binance, all that type of stuff, they're registered, they're good, they're Gucci. But it's more referring to, sketchy lending platforms, sketchy staking platforms where you can exchange that asset for Bitcoin or that asset against Ethereum. So it's basically just more of a crackdown, so things like BitConnect don't happen, and we're all we've all lost money for stuff like that. I've lost money. You've probably lost money in BitConnect or something similar to BitConnect. There's 1,000 of them. LinConnect's another sketchy one. Falcon Coin, I was super disappointed by that going down. Obviously lost a little bit of money there. I only put $200 into it, so it's a loss, but it's not a huge loss. Again, I was very careful, only investing money that I was not afraid to lose, but it still doesn't make it hurt any less. So I don't know why everyone's freaking out and pulling out of crypto. Bitcoin isn't an exchange, it's a currency or digital asset. It's not a digital exchange. So yeah, obviously there are exchanges out there that may not be legit, and this is calling them higher, and I think the SEC is doing a good job of calling everything higher to make it more, just to make it safer for everyone. So that's a big thing. In other news, we've got Binance, the Binance hack attack, whatever. So here, if we go down, they're talking about security laws, and then we see CZ, Binance right here, one of the CEOs of Binance right here. In a statement on Twitter, Binance.com CEO Changpeng CZ Zhao said that the site was still investigating potential irregularities in trading. So a lot of people were reporting irregularities in their Binance accounts, coins randomly selling when they didn't want them to sell, buying it back, it sells again. So a lot of people were frustrated, and everyone was calling it a Binance hack. It very well could be, but Binance is saying all funds are safe. There were irregularities in trading activity, automatic alarms triggered. Some accounts have been compromised by phishing from before. We are still investigating. All funds are safe. So that's good. So basically the SEC stuff and people hearing about the Binance hack, people's emotions get involved at this point. they don't have clear advice, they don't have clear knowledge of what happened, and they freak out and they start selling, and that's, you know, gonna make at least a 10% dip, maybe more. I think it was 11-12% for Bitcoin. So just so you guys are aware, the market is slowly working its way back up. This morning when I checked it was like still a little bit lower from yesterday too. Yesterday wasn't the best day. It's a boring market, guys. It's not even a bear market. It's a boring market. Not a lot is going on in the crypto space right now. So be aware for that. The channel may not be that interesting right now because it's a boring market. There's like fluctuations of like 10% maybe. Most days it's 2 or 3%. And there's still money to be made if you're not trading. I encourage you to start trading. That's cool. Bitcoin dominance 41%, almost 42%. So Bitcoin's regained a lot of dominance the last couple months. About 7 or 8 points, 9%. I mean, since December, January, February. So it's good to see Bitcoin holding itself in the lead quite a bit. I mean, you look at the difference between Bitcoin now and Ethereum and even Ripple. Like, you guys remember when Ripple had like 70 billion market cap? Now it's down to like half that. When Ripple was the number 2. Yeah. Me too. I didn't buy it for a second. There was money to be had, but yeah, right now it's low. Anyway, looking at the rest of the market, EOS is cheap right now. Y'all, like, if you have a little bit extra, buy some EOS. That's at least gonna double. Like, it's gonna be up to $11-12. That's gonna double. Tron let me down, boyo. That should come back up to like 4.5 cents, where it normally sits. Not gonna go too much lower. Not a whole lot of down here. But yeah, guys, just wanted to inform you about the little updates in the crypto market and let you know it's okay. The world's not ending. Bitcoin is not gonna crash. Some people are writing, oh, the market's gonna crash back down to 5,000, 6,000. It's gonna be another huge Bitcoin crash. Obviously, when people start talking like that, everyone gets scared and panic sells. Never panic sell your coins ever. Strategically sell them. If you're way down on a coin, learn about dollar cost averaging, that type of stuff, where you buy more lower and average the amount needed of the coin to go up. So let's say buy something at 70 cents, it goes down to 60 cents. You need it to go to 71 or 72 cents to buy profit, so start buying at 60 cents. And then if you buy, you know, a bunch at 60 cents, then it only needs to go up to like 68 cents or something for you to finally have that profit. So you don't need it to go up as high. So I want to maybe try that with Tron if I ever get some extra money here. But anyway, guys, all that to say, dollar cost averaging if you're really missing out and did something crazy and have some bags. But trade, learn to trade. It's great. Profit Trailer, check it out. Profit Trailer's awesome. Obviously, with Binance having an issue, Profit Trailer is not going to be the best today without any withdrawal stuff. But you know, you can set it up with Bittrex, Binance, Poloniex, those top 3. Diversify which exchanges you use. That's another tip. Anyway, guys, I'm dragging, going too long. But thank you so much for watching today's video. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, like the video, and comment a question down below that I can answer in a future video or just in the comments. Alright, guys, have a good one. See ya.